With this method, you can make tons of thousands of dollars online. And the greatest thing is that you can get started right away with zero upfront cost and zero ongoing maintenance fees. And this is a method that can be used anywhere in the world. Every single one of us relies on our mobile phones daily. We communicate with others via message 24/7. That's why I say we should take advantage of it. In the video that I'm going to show you today, I want to teach you how to make money online by getting paid to chat. There is room to make far more money. And by the way, you'll be paid straight into your PayPal account or Payoneer account. I'll show you how to use this simple and free website to start making money chatting online right away. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You could also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The website I am talking about is Premium Chat. You can access their site by typing in Premium Chat in your web browser. With them, it is possible to earn money by chatting and consulting with customers, fans, and followers of your brand. You may use this to make money off of people chatting with you on your website or social media page. I am going to show you one of the finest ways that you can link this with your account so that you can start charging people for chatting with them online at the very end of this video. So stay tuned for that, and I'll explain in detail how you can achieve it. You'll see by reading on that this is the place to be if you want to talk to others about something or teach them something. While getting paid to video chat is an option, we will focus on staying for the time being. Because of the value you place on your time, the choice is totally up to you. Therefore, you may determine the pace at which you will be compensated. Fortunately, this app will handle everything for you. You may check it out here if you're curious about how much money you could potentially make from using this website. To go to this section, we need to click on Earnings Potential. I may set my rates anywhere between $1 and $8 per minute, and I can even offer a flat rate. You may see that some people are charging as much as a flat rate of $200 to have online conversations with others or to provide consultations to their followers, clients, and etc. Having done the necessary market research, I can tell you that you will be pleasantly surprised by the amount of money that people are prepared to give. But if you're just starting, my advice is to put in between $1 and $3. It never goes above that point. Now that we've got that out of the way, I'll explain how to start making money. To get started, just head over here and hit the sign up button. When you click it, it will take you to a screen that looks like this one, where you will be able to sign up using your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or Google account, depending on which one you choose. For security purposes, the website can send you a verification code via WhatsApp or standard SMS. As soon as you provide the required information, you'll be taken to this page. Here is where you'll want to craft a username and bio for your various social media profiles and connect your accounts. To save your changes, simply click the Save button after you're finished. And to start using the service, you will need to make a widget that you can add to your website or social media profiles. By calculating your possible income with Premium Chat, how much are you planning to earn? Let us know by sharing it in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like our video so far. Now, let's get back to the video. There is a wide range of colors available to you, and you can even make your own. This is what people will see before deciding whether or not to start a conversation with you. Simply let your potential customers know what kinds of topics and descriptions you're open to discussing, taking into account your current niche. It doesn't matter if your skills lie in the kitchen, the outdoors, or the water. You can put them to use here. You'll find the per-minute rate editing menu as you scroll down. You can now set your price thanks to this. I suggest a pace of 1 minute per mile. After that, you'll find a section where you can choose the length of the chat. Still, I'd rather they not see the full amount until they verify that they have enough cash on hand. I'll show you more about it in a second. After that, select Save Widget to keep the widget. And this is what visitors will see if they click on my link. When someone wishes to chat with you, you will receive a notification about it. The next step is to include links to your online profiles. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook accounts can all be connected. After you've connected them all, your account will be activated and you'll have access to your dashboard. From there, simply select Settings to modify your preferences. You'll be taken to this screen after selecting the Settings menu item. And then on the left-hand side over here, what you want to do is make sure that you have set up your payment method. This is an important step. After I select this option, you'll find that you can choose between two different methods of payment, PayPal and Payoneer. This is a pretty great thing since it makes it possible for you to get paid even if you are located in a country that does not accept PayPal and vice versa. Consequently, you can choose between two alternatives. That's the plan for your payment method. Is your country eligible for the following payment methods? Make sure to leave a comment below where you are from so we can find more money-making methods that work very well in the country you're in. Before we move on, smash that like button if you enjoyed our video today so far. We appreciate your support. Then the next thing you need to do is head on over to your dashboard. You can change the settings for this widget after you've reached your dashboard. It's entirely up to you whether or not you want to make any changes. If you want to copy the HTML code, you can do so right here. To share this on other social media platforms, simply copy the URL and paste it into the corresponding app or website. Now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to show you how you can start making money simply by talking with people. The easiest method for accomplishing this is also one of the most effective. Take advantage of the many social media platforms to accomplish this. A good example is if you want to post other kinds of content and use Instagram to promote your premium chat, you have to provide a link in your description. And I assure you, regardless the niche you're currently working on, people will reach out to you for your assistance. You can also share your link in Facebook groups or create your own. It is very easy to launch your group on Facebook, and you can do so in virtually any niche you choose. You could have that link pinned to the top comments. Premium Chat is a great place to market your links, talk about your services, and connect with potential customers. You can also take advantage of the description section of each video on your YouTube channel to promote the link. That is, if you have one, of course. I think it is safe to say that Premium Chat is our new awesome way to make money. And I can't wait for you to start earning by sharing your expertise, or if you're simply just trying to grow your fan base. What are your thoughts about our featured website today? Have you tried completing the sign-up process yourself? We would love to know about what you went through in the comments below. Thank you very much for supporting us. We have enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet, to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.